Welcome the Eero channel. Today we how to log into Eero app for Wi-Fi network setup, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, make sure you have downloaded the Eero app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the installation is complete, open the Eero app on your device. If this is your first time using the app, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your details, tap on the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a verification link sent by Eero. Click on the link to verify your email address. Return to the Eero app after verifying your email. Now, log in using the email address and password you just created. Once logged in, grant the app permission to access your location for optimal setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Eero device to your internet source. When prompted, scan the QR code located on your Eero device for easy setup. Wait as the app configures your network settings. After configuration, you will be asked to name your Wi-Fi network. Choose a memorable Wi-Fi network name and create a password. Confirm your network settings and tap Finish Setup. Your Eero app is now set up, and your Wi-Fi network is ready for use. Explore the app to manage your network settings and connected devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.